Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to check watch history on X or Twitter. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to open up the X application. Now in our X application, you may need to log in, so make sure that you are currently logged in or make sure to log in into your account. Now in here, what we need to do next is we need to go to our profile at the top left of your screen. And from here in this slide here or in this drawer here, what we need to do is we need to scroll down a bit, look for settings and support, go ahead and click on it and click on settings and privacy. Now from here, choose the option that says your account. And under your account, choose the option that says download an archive of your data. In this case, once you click on it, it might ask you to enter your password or basically log in into your account, as well as a code that you'll be receiving on your email. Now, once you've done that, you should be able to see the files page that says X data. So you can go ahead and click on the request archive option that you see on your screen. But as you can see on my screen right now, it's going to be appearing black as this screen is actually protected and nobody should be able to view this. In this case, once you click on request data, that would actually send an email, or they will actually prepare the link or the file that you're requesting via email, and from then you should be able to access a link to download the data that you have on X, and that's where you'll be able to see your watch history. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.